This is my first day in Guwahati, Assam state. So yesterday at night I reached to Guwahati and later I took a hotel for staying one night and now I'm checking out from that hotel. And today my plan, sir, I should meet collector and from him I should take a certificate from him and later I should visit KTM showroom and later I should visit some tourist places. And now time is 11:19 a.m. So now let's go. Thank God I got very good hotel for staying one day. Actually, before I try to get in hotel in some other areas, but in that area, maximum all the hotels are more above 1500 rupees only. But I don't want to waste 1500 rupees just for one day. So I searched for room in Oyo spot on under 1000 rupees. So at that time I got this hotel. This hotel name is Subhashanti Guest House. It's side of highway only. So in this hotel rooms are very best at low price just for 550 rupees per night. So in Spoton is very good hotel, very good for getting a rooms in budget. But what's the matter, what's the problem means in maximum Spotons will be a budget friendly hotels. Those budget hotels will be like small hotels only. Maximum all the hotels are small hotels, budget friendly hotels. So in that hotel, if we want to check in, then we should check in before 11 p.m. because after 11 p.m. all the staff will be drunken and they are uneducated. So if we knock the door for getting the room for checking in, they won't open. Instead of opening and giving a room, they will scold you. So I wish whatever live about that. Now let's go. Finally, I reached to Guwahati city. On that board, you can read "Welcome to Guwahati city." So now I should search where is DC office. DC office means deputy collector or commissioner. Finally, now I got a certificate from Guwahati district collector. I came to here at 11 a.m. and I got a certificate at 12:30 p.m. So from morning onwards I did not have anything. So while having some food, I will start from here to Shillong, Shillong, Meghalaya state. Now let's go. Now again I started my journey after having some delicious food. I don't know it's delicious or not because from morning onwards I did not have anything. So I am so hungry. Maybe because of that feeling I feel it. That food is very delicious and I had it like a pig. And whatever. Now live about that. Now first I should travel to Khanapara to Dhanbada to Shillong, Meghalaya state. So Khanapara and Dhanbada is in Guwahati city only. If I reach Dhanbada, from there I will get a highway to travel Shillong. So first I reach to Dhanbada. And one more thing I want to say, actually I think to visit some tourist places in Assam state, right? But now I don't want to visit because in any way when I'm going return from northeast, I should cross Guwahati city again. So I'm thinking at the time I'm thinking to visit those tourist places. Now I will go to Meghalaya, Shillong. And now I came to KTM showroom. But now here what's my bad luck means, from morning onwards there is no train. But when I started my journey again, it started raining. What's the bad luck? No one will not have bad luck like me. I'm great. Finally now I came on national highway. From here to Shillong, this highway will continue. This highway will be there till Shillong, so I don't need to worry about road. And from here Shillong is just 100 kilometers. So I think it may took 100. So it may take 4 hours journey to reach there. Now I came to petrol pump. I think now 300 rupees of petrol is enough to reach Shillong. If not enough, then I will fill up my tank again. So now let's fill up my tank and later let's continue my journey. In Guwahati I met one army person. So when I met him, he's saying that in Shillong there is a problem. What that problem means, at present in Shillong NRC CAA strikes are going on. So at present there is curfew in that city. So I don't know now what I should do. But I will not go back from here. But definitely I will visit Meghalaya. But whatever it is, after going to there, I will face that problem. And one more thing I want to share is when you are driving on rainy time. At that time, drive very carefully. If there is water on road, then go very slowly, because at rainy season time we can't see where is hole, I mean where is holes on road. I mean holes means, I don't know how to say. I'm not that much scholar in English. I can talk little bit, but I'm not yet that much scholar in English. So when you are driving on rainy season time, then you should drive your bike or car. You should drive very carefully, because at this time, because of rain, road will look smoother. So at that time, what we think road is very smooth and there is no holes or etc. So we will drive our vehicle very faster way. At the time we may get accident. So definitely you should be careful when you're driving a bike. And now from here, Shillong is just 80 kilometers. Now let's go. Boom boom boom. This town name is Kamakshini. From here you can see there is no train. It's looking very dry and climate is perfect for driving. Before it's very rainy and road is very wet and slippery. But now it's very dry and I'm so happy. From here I can drive my bike very fast. Finally, now it's become dark. I mean night. So from now onwards, I should maintain some speed limit, because driving fast at night time is very risk. So I don't want to take any risk, because I should travel many places. So I don't want to take risk with my life. So from now onwards, I will maintain my speed between 100 to 110 kilometer per hour. I think this is a very good place. I don't know it's good or not, because of not having any light. Means it's become dark, right? So I can't see anything around me. So but I think this is a very amazing place, because both of my sides having water, and these hills make me to think that this is an amazing place. I don't know it is amazing or not. Tomorrow once again I will visit here, and later I will take some pictures. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Finally, I reached to Shillong city. This city is the capital for Meghalaya state. And now I will take some picture here and I will post on Instagram that I reached to Shillong, Meghalaya state. And later, now my biggest work is I need to get a hotel to stay here. Actually, long back I reached to Shillong city, but because of some reasons I came to police station now. That reason is here NRC and CAA ILP fights are going on. So because of that reason, here police people arranged curfew, and here there is no network. Means here only internet will not work, but calls will done. So because of here situation is so bad. So now how I came to police station means, here for asking address I asked a army member that where I can get hotels now. At the time, while seeing my bike registration, he asked me from where you are coming. At the time I said I am coming from Andhra Pradesh. So immediately he talked in English and said about my situation and sent me to police station. While he said me to ask police station that it's your responsibility to take care about me at this situation. So he sended me to police station to ask them to arrange me something to stay safer in this state. So I'm so thankful for him who helped me. He is that guy who helped me while saying about present situation in Shillong, Meghalaya state. His name is Ishwar Rao. He is from Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam district, and we are same language people. And here what happened means, Bangladeshi Muslim people will be there now. Those Muslims entered into Indian border, and whoever living there, they killed some Hindu people. So because of that reason, whoever living in Shillong, they killed Muslims in Shillong city. So like that this fight is started. So now in this matter we can't do anything. So I went to police station, right? In their police station people, they said me to go for other police station. After going to there, they will arrange something to stay for me here in safe place while being far away from these all problems. Here they said curfew will be start from 8:30 p.m. onwards. So I reached to Shillong at 8:30 only. So I can't do anything. So here I saw many CRPF people at everywhere. Like hell means bandobas with a complete advance armed. So whatever now leave about that. Now I should travel to Lai Om Tara police station. Finally now I reached to Lai Om Tara police station. Now let's go to meet Voci sir in this police station. Finally, now I got a good hotel at safe place. Actually, I went inside the police station and later I talked with OC sir. OC sir means circle inspector. I talked with him. So he arranged me a hotel in safe place, and now I'm going for that hotel only. He sent me with some other police. You can see him. He's in front of me. So he's taking me to the hotel. So I don't know how much distance it is, but it's very near to that police station only. And now my biggest task is I should ask someone about tourist places in Meghalaya, because here present network is not working because of NRCA, CA, ILP fights. Here they stopped network, so I can't get network. So I should ask someone, and I should travel to those places without any internet. Thank God I downloaded offline Google Maps. I'm so happy now. Now for me these police people are helped me. Thank you so much bro. Thank you so much bro. I'm so happy for them and thank you so much. And now I should go back to police station, and I took my bike from the police station. Later I will come back to hotel and I will have some food and I will sleep today night. Finally now I took my bike and I'm going back to my hotel, and here officer is very good person. I don't know, I did not remember his name, but the officer is very good person. Immediately he arranged me a good hotel at safe place, and later he sent me with some other police member. So now everything is fine, and now my room price is 700 rupees. Actually in this big famous center, I mean this center is one of the biggest center in Shillong. In this center, if I got a room for 700 means it's so great. Around me many hotels are there. I don't need to worry about food and other things. Here around me many shops and everything are open, and I can get anything. And later there are two types of room. For 500 one dormitory is there, and for 4000 rupees rooms, normal separate rooms. So I don't want to stay in dormitory, so I taken separate room for me. So now this is my hotel. I should go inside, and I have a parking facility, so I'm completely happy now. And now I should park somewhere. Okay, whatever. See you tomorrow guys. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye. See you. I think this hotel is very old one. That's why I think they are giving. Okay, bro, take it. I think that's why they are giving rooms at low price. And this is my room. Not bad. It's okay. Everything is fine. Bed, dressing table, dining table, TV, and washroom. Fine. Everything is okay. Now I should go outside and I should have some food. Okay. If I want anything, then I should order from that. I should use that phone. Okay. Now I came outside for food, but my bad luck is I don't have food to get because maximum all the shops are closed. I forget about curfew, and the backside of me only one and only hotel is there. From there I took chow mein, I mean noodles. So now while having that I will sleep. And later one more thing I want to share: in northeast or in North India, maximum people will be close. I mean people will close their shops at earlier only. I don't know why, but if you want to get anything, we should get before 8 p.m. Thank God, while bringing these air pillows, I did very good thing, because actually I did not get more pillows. I got very small thin pillow. It won't give comfort for me. So now my air pillows are helping me a lot. Thank God. and love you so much, air pillows. I can't forget you. And YouTube video just 69%. It was being like from past 1 hour 69%. Shit.